So we have got the virtual reality life. Someone is in a world.
Actually is, and take you out of there for now and let one of your colleagues have a turn. So I'm going to come and take those controllers for now. I'm going to leave this one down. This is the non-writing one, this is the writing one. And then I'm going to come and just loosen it.
Oh, yeah.
Well done. Welcome to Victoria. Well, now what I'm quickly going to do is change it over to a different bubbles.
Is this you?
It's Leanne's drawings.
Oh, yeah. So now Monica is changing the program.
Yeah, now I'm just changing the selection of brushes so the next person can try out a few different brushes. And I teleported a little bit away. And I'm just going to put some of these ones out of the way.
So she's in her world.
Alright, next one. No.
Come on, Malcolm.
Next one, come on. So now you've got a
Alright, so here is...
brushes. You make it fun. Would you put this on your eyes, please? I'm going to type that behind your head. I'm sorry, I might get some of the pins on there. I'm sorry. Okay, which one do you got? Alright, can you make a fist, please? Alright, I'm going to put this over now.
So there's her hands.
Now on here, on this one,
She's got her brush.
just behind here to do things, and this one is to change sizes. Now on the other hand, if you make a fist, please.
Now,
This is the control table.
there was a person in Russia that's making this, the artwork. Did you see that on the news?
There are some cool ones out there. So this changes the different panels around. See, I'm looking over at the screen at the same time for the other people.
Oh, yeah.
And while I'm pointing with this hand, you can pick different things. Right now, if you don't mind clicking away from, oops, can you click on the one again? It's a eraser, yeah? Now, if you are swiping, this is where your brushes are. So point at the brush. Yep, and pull the trigger. And then use that hand and draw a nice big rainbow by using the trigger. Yep, go. Now this is a really tiny rainbow right now, and I'm gonna help you make it bigger. I'm making the brush bigger. Okay, go.
Is that what she's seeing, Monica?
Yeah, that's what she's seeing, but she's seeing it all around her. I on purpose put it on for being in space because, you know, I thought it would be just a bit of a
How
difference.
much is this equipment?
The most expensive part is the gaming computer, which is
Yeah.
$3,000. All the other equipment is less, you know, approximately, I would say.
Oh, so you have to
$1,000.
buy this?
Yes, but now there's also Oculus Quest out, which is more of an all-in-one. It doesn't require an extra laptop to run it, doesn't require extra things to run it, but you can't do quite the same things like importing objects from different sources. That's not possible at this stage.
Yeah.
But that's only about $700. So that could become a real option for schools.
Yeah, I think so.
Well, we use it a lot as bringing in our objects and images from different programs and putting them all together to make one finished world. Yeah. It is, isn't it? Now, one thing you have to be careful of, it can trigger epileptic seizures. So, in general, people with epilepsy, we discourage